Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you 10 stunning brick edging ideas you need to see and guide to creating beautiful and functional garden borders. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. For those seeking to elevate their outdoor spaces, brick garden edging offers a classic and enduring solution. It not only defines the boundaries of your flower beds and walkways, but also adds a touch of sophistication and elegance to your landscape. Brick garden edging, also known as brick edging, is a method of using bricks to create a defined border around flower beds, walkways, and other landscape features. This edging serves both aesthetic and functional purposes. Why choose brick edging? Is brick edging good? Brick is an excellent choice for garden edging for several reasons. First, durability. Bricks are incredibly durable and weather-resistant, able to withstand harsh weather conditions and heavy foot traffic for years to come. Second, versatility. Bricks come in a wide variety of colors, textures, and sizes, allowing you to customize the edging to complement your home's architectural style and existing landscape elements. Third, low maintenance. Unlike some other edging materials, brick requires minimal maintenance. Occasional cleaning and resanding might be necessary, but it generally holds up well with minimal effort. Fourth, definition and separation. Brick edging clearly defines the border between your flower beds and walkways, preventing grass and weeds from encroaching and creating a clean, finished look. Fifth, formal appeal. Brick edging adds a sense of formality and structure to your landscape, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space. In essence, brick edging offers a perfect blend of aesthetics and functionality, making it a valuable addition to any garden. How to edge a garden with bricks. Here's a basic guide on how to edge your garden with bricks. First, plan and design. Measure the area you wish to edge and determine the desired brick pattern, straight, curved, etc. Second, excavate the trench. Dig a trench along the planned edge, ensuring the depth is slightly deeper than the brick's height and the width allows for the brick to sit comfortably. Third, prepare the base. Lay a layer of crushed gravel or compacted sand within the trench to create a stable foundation for the bricks. Fourth, lay the bricks. Begin laying the bricks, working in sections and ensuring they are level and evenly spaced. Use a rubber mallet to adjust positions as needed. Fifth, backfill and finish. Fill the gaps around the bricks with sand or gravel and tamp it down firmly. You can also add a finishing touch by applying a polymeric sand, which helps lock the bricks in place and suppress weed growth. For detailed instructions and visual guidance, consider checking out the informative videos available on the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel. How do you keep brick edging in place? While brick edging is generally stable, there are a few ways to ensure it stays in place over time. First, proper base preparation. A well-compacted gravel or sand base provides a solid foundation for the bricks, preventing them from settling unevenly. Second, edging restraints. In areas with heavy foot traffic or loose soil, consider using edging restraints, such as plastic or metal edging, placed along the back of the trench to prevent the bricks from shifting outwards. Third, polymeric sand. As mentioned earlier, using polymeric sand to fill the gaps between the bricks helps lock them in place and minimize the risk of movement. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your brick edging remains pristine and functional for years to come. And to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 best brick garden edging ideas. 1. Classic straight edge, a timeless design that defines flower beds and walkways with clean lines. 2. Curved edging, adds a touch of softness and visual interest to winding pathways and flower beds. 3. Soldier course, bricks placed vertically create a visually striking and elevated border. 4. Herringbone pattern, a classic and intricate pattern that adds a touch of sophistication to your garden. 5. Mixed material edging, combine bricks with other materials like stone or wood for a unique and textural element. 6. Raised garden beds, use bricks to create raised garden beds for improved drainage and visual impact. 7. Stepping stones, integrate brick edging with strategically placed stepping stones to create a functional and charming pathway. 8. Brick pavers, use larger brick pavers to create a wider edging that doubles as a seating area or border for patios. 9. Vegetable garden edging, define the perimeter of your vegetable garden with brick edging for a clean and organized look. 10. Circular edging, create a focal point in your garden with a circular brick edging surrounding a tree or water feature. By incorporating these ideas, you can create a unique and functional brick edging that complements your existing landscape and elevates your outdoor space. Brick garden edging offers a timeless and elegant solution for defining your landscape beds and pathways. With its durability, versatility, and low maintenance requirements, it's a practical and aesthetically pleasing choice for any garden. Remember, with proper planning and execution, you can create a beautiful and long-lasting brick edging that adds a touch of sophistication and structure to your outdoor haven. For more inspiration and detailed instructions on creating stunning brick garden edging, visit the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel. We have a wealth of informative videos and resources to guide you through the process and help you achieve your desired landscaping goals. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of beautiful brick garden edging ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.